Look at that, Lily. Is that a pretty shirt? Is that a beautiful shirt? Can you try it on? Try it on. This way. Here, try it on this way. Hold it up. Oh, say thank you, Miss Rosie.
Thank you, Rosie.
How about that one? Can you look at that one? Look, there's pants too. Can you stand up and try those on? Stand up. Like this. There you go. Hold it up. Ooh. Say thank you, Miss Rosie. That's the wrong side, sweetheart. Good try. All right. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, look. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.